Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see Maths Class 6 Decimals Introduction. A dot represents a decimal point. Example 5 rupees 75 pice. Okay, so decimal is very important. What? Dot. Okay, dot is very important for decimals. So dot represents the decimal point. That point is called as nothing but this point. Okay, this point is called as nothing but decimal point. So this point is very important for the decimal. So example 5 rupees 75 pice. Okay, so 5 rupees 75 pice, this is rupees, and these after the point we consider as pice. So 5 rupees 75 pice. Okay, if you read the number, that is it, now it is in rupees. Suppose if it is right like this, so 5.75, after the point you must say the numbers alone. Okay, you must say only the number, but you should not say that is 7 tens and 5 hundreds. So you should not say like this. Generally you must read, you must understand this is after the point, this is tens, and this next digit is hundreds. But while you read this decimal, 5.75, this is exactly right. Okay, so next is first one is 5 rupees 75 pice. That is rupees 5.75 pice. That is what? So 5 rupees 75 pice. How you are going to read? Rupees 5 and what? 75 pice. After the point we consider it is what? Pace. Okay, and 7 rupees 50 pice. 7 rupees 50 pice. Rupees 7 rupees 50 pice. Rupees 7 and dot, it considers a decimal point. We must consider this point as a decimal point, and this is what? 50 pice. Okay, and to understand the parts of one whole is called as a unit. We show a unit by a block. One block is divided into 10 equal parts. So each part is 1 by 10 of a unit. That means to understand the parts of one whole is called a unit. Okay, to understand the parts of one whole. For example, this is a rectangle shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even 7 and 8, 9. We can say it is, okay, what, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is how many parts? That is what? That is what? This is what? How many parts? 10 parts. Okay, this is 10 parts. This is 10 parts. Okay, this is completely one block. Okay, this is completely one block, but we equally divided into how many parts? 10 parts. Okay, 10 parts. That's what? To understand the parts of one whole, this is completely one whole, is called a unit. One block, or we can call it as unit. So we show a unit by a block. So one block is divided into 10 equal parts. This is a completely one block is divided into 10 equal parts. This is divided into 10 equal parts, mean that is each part is, so each part, how do you call this? 1 by 10. Each part. Okay, each part we can say 1 by 10 of a unit. So 1 by 10 in decimal notation, that is how you are going to write in decimal, as 0.1. The dot represents the decimal point. The dot represents the decimal point, and it comes between the unit place and the tens place. It comes between the unit place and the what? 10th place. Look at this number. This is what? Ones, and this is tens. This is ones, and this is tens, and this is 100. TE and TH is tens, and this we can consider, and this is hundreds. Okay, hundreds. Okay, hundreds. So this is what? Ones. That is what? So this decimal point comes between the ones place and also the tens place. That is what they given. So example is, now we are going to see the placed value. So hundreds, tens, ones and tens. So this is hundreds and this is tens and this is ones and this is 1 by 10. We can call it as tens. So 5381, 5381. These are the numbers are given. For example, this is 5 hundreds, 5 into hundreds. This is 3 into 10, that is 3 tens. So this is called as 30. This is 8 into 1. This is at 8 ones, and 1 tens. Okay, 1 tens. So 5 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 8 ones plus 1 tens. 5 into 100, 500, and 3 into 10, 30. That is 3 into 10 means nothing but 30. Otherwise, we can call it as 5 into hundreds, 5 hundreds, and 3 into 10, 3 tens. Otherwise, we can call it as 30. 8 into 1, we can get 8, and 1 into 1 by 10. We can get 1 into 1, we can get 1 by 10. So now after that, you have to add everything. So 500 plus 30 plus 8. You can add 500 plus 30 plus 8. You can get 538. So this 1 by 10, it becomes as, while you write in a decimal, 0.1. That is 538.1. This is the right answer for the question. So we have to do this sum. So I think so you understand the basic concepts of what decimals, and also how to write decimal expansion form, and also the how to write the decimal form. That is also, you know that. So we have to see one more example. So I think so I'll write it here because we don't have space in that place. Two hundreds, 7 tens. This is example 2. 7 tens plus 3 ones plus, what is this, 4 tens. 4 tens. So the answer is 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into tens. That is nothing but 1 by 10. You have to write the answer. 2 into 100, 200, plus 7 into 10, 70, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 4 by 10. 4 into 1, 4 by 10. So you can get the final answer, 273. You must add everything. These are all whole numbers. 200 plus 70 plus 3, 273 point. That is 4 by 10. You must write 4 by 10. If you write the decimal point, that is 0.4. You can say 0.4. So 200 plus 70 plus 3, you can get 273. This is a whole number. So 273.0, and after that you have to add with 0.4. So 4372, 273.4. This is a final answer. This is the final answer for the second question. I think so you understand the basic concepts of decimal.